The weekend may end, but the atmosphere may not be done with us. From Thursday through at least next Monday, the pattern across the central US looks like the kind that can keep reloading severe weather day after day, not because one monster outbreak is already locked in, but because the larger pattern is building the same kind of ingredients over and over again. A long wave trough is expected to dig across the western United States and hold there, and that matters because it keeps feeding energy into the plains and the central part of the country. That is the kind of setup that does not just create one severe weather day, it creates a stretch. Thursday may be the first bigger signal. Storms are expected to develop from northeast Kansas into Iowa late in the day, then quickly build southward into parts of Kansas and Oklahoma. Early on, the wind fields may support supercells, which means hail and tornado potential could be there before storms eventually grow upscale into lines. And once that happens, the threat starts shifting more toward a broader, damaging wind setup. Then comes Friday. The front is expected to sag south and east into the southern plains and the Arklatex, and if that boundary stalls out the way the outlook suggests, it could become the focus for another round of severe thunderstorms Friday afternoon into Friday night. That includes areas like eastern Oklahoma and Arkansas, where the atmosphere ahead of the front may stay unstable and uncapped enough to support additional severe storms. And that is where this pattern starts feeling different. It is not just one front sweeping through and cleaning everything out. It is a front that may slow down, stall, and leave the door open for more storms to fire on top of old outflow, old boundaries, and leftover instability. By Saturday, the pattern may start responding to another low-latitude trough moving into Southern California, and that could bring the severe threat right back into the southern plains again. But this is where confidence starts dropping, because by then, everything depends on what happens the days before it. Old outflow boundaries, previous storm tracks, where the dry line sets up, where the front stalls, where the atmosphere recovers. That means days 6, 7, and 8 still look active in a pattern recognition sense, but the exact hotspots are not clear yet. And honestly, that is what makes long-range severe weather stretches so dangerous. Not because every day is guaranteed to explode, but because the atmosphere keeps giving itself chances. So the real message from day 4 through day 8 is this: the central US may be entering a multi-day severe weather stretch. Thursday, storms from Kansas into Iowa, then south into Oklahoma. Friday, severe threat may settle into eastern Oklahoma and Arkansas. Saturday into early next week, the southern plains